How does AI learn everything? Here's the real explanation in simple words. AI learns by training on huge amounts of data. It doesn't magically know anything. It looks at millions of examples and slowly adjusts itself to make better predictions. Here's how it actually works. When you give AI an image, a sentence, or a sound, it converts everything into numbers. AI cannot read words or see pictures like humans. It only understands numbers and patterns. Inside the AI are thousands or millions of neurons. Each neuron takes numbers in, does a small calculation, and passes new numbers to the next layer. As AI sees more data, these neurons keep adjusting their weights, small values that tell the model what is important and what is not. AI learns by making mistakes. It makes a guess, checks how wrong the guess is, and updates its weights to reduce the mistake. This process repeats millions of times until the model gets good at recognizing patterns. For language, AI learns which words appear together and how sentences are structured. For images, it learns edges, shapes, textures, and objects. For sound, it learns rhythm, pitch, and tone. So how does AI learn everything? Not through meaning or understanding, but by processing massive data, finding patterns, correcting mistakes, and improving step by step until it becomes extremely accurate. AI does not know the world. It learns patterns from the world